All right, for this video, we are going to cover 2.1a number 2, 2.1b number 18, and 2.1c number 25. So these are problems that often get questions from students. So first of all, 2.1a number 2. The directions above say round to the greatest value and then multiply. And they specifically say in this assignment that you should use your calculator. So for number 2, it's 0.004208 times 0.06916. So as we round this to the greatest value is going to be here, which is the thousandths, and then this is the hundredths place. So we're going to round this to 0.004, and this one gets rounded to 0.07. Then we pull out our calculator and we do 0.004 times 0.07, and we get 0.00028. And if you look down at the answers, it says about 0.00028. So that's your answer. Okay. Let's go on to the next problem. Which is 2.1b number 18. So for this one, a product costs $7 for 20 pounds. How much is that in cents per pound? So our cost is $7. And the amount that we get with that is 20 pounds. And we want to know how much is that in cents per ounce. So we have dollars and pounds, and we want cents and ounces. So we can change this to cents. $7 is the same as 700 cents. And then 20 pounds, there's 16 ounces in a pound, which is something that you should know. So you do 16 times 20, and you get 320 ounces. So then to find the cents per pound, we're just going to take cents and we're going to divide it by, cents per ounce, sorry, we're going to take cents and divide it by ounces. So we're going to have 700 cents divided by 320 ounces. 700 divided by 320 gives us 2.1875. 2.1875 cents per ounce. And if we look at the answer says 2.19 cents per ounce. So all they did was round it to the hundredths place, which is fine. So these are the same answer, so this is correct. Cents per ounce, cents per ounce. All right. Let's go on to the last one. This one's going to take a little bit longer. 2.1c number 25. If a savings account starts at $200 and earns 7% per year, how much would be in the account at the end of 12 years if you're able to add $40 per year? If you look at the chart right above this, you can see what we're going to be doing. This is really easy to do in Excel. It's going to take a little bit more legwork doing it on paper, but that's fine. We can still do it on paper. It's pretty easy. So on our first year, we're going to put our first year right here. We start out with $200. So that's I'm going to put a B there for what we begin with. And then we take the $200 and we're going to multiply it by 1.07. The reason why we multiply it by 1.07, that 7 is 7%. We multiply it by 1 because we want the 200 plus 7%. When you multiply 200 times 1, you just get 1 back again. So when you multiply the 200 times 1.07, you get the 200 plus the 7%. It's kind of a cool way of adding 7% to 200. 200 plus 7%, and then we're going to add on $40. Okay? So we have 200 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 254. And that's what we have at the end of the year. Okay? So in our second year, we're going to start out with $254. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 254 times 1.07 plus 40. 254, notice it's still on there, so there's no reason to type it in again, times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 311.78. Okay, so that's what we have at the end of the year. So then in our third year, we're going to start out with that, 311.78. We're going to do the same thing. We don't need to write this down every single time. And we need to go up to the 12th year. Let's make this 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So we have 311.78. We're going to do times 1.07 plus 40. That gives us 373.6046. 373 point, I'm just going to round this, but I'm not rounding it on here, times 1.07 plus 40, 439.76. I'm rounding it when I write it down, but I'm keeping all the numbers on here. 439.76. All right. Times 1.07 plus 40, you get 510.54, 510.54 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 586.28. 586.28 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 667.32 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 754.03 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 846.81 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us 946.09 times 1.07 plus 40 gives us, in year 11, we finally crossed 1,000. 1,052 and 31 cents times 1.07 plus 40 gives us $1,165.98. And if you go check the answer below, sorry, I hope you can see that. That is the correct answer. So it's a lot of work to get through and type it all in. It's much easier to do it on Excel, and you're going to learn how to do that in a little bit in the class. But it's good to practice on the calculator so you can see exactly what's going on. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Thanks.